In today's video, I'm going to show you a brand new method in 3-step how to earn $550 per day using Google Docs. All you need to do to start using Google Docs, you just need to have a Google email account, and then you're ready to use Google Docs. All right, so I'm going to dive into my desktop now, and I'm going to show you exactly how to utilize Google Docs and get paid for it. All right, using either your smartphone or your desktop. All right, so with that being said, let's jump into my desktop now. In today's method, I promise you it's going to be easy, simple, and you don't need any skill to start this method. All right, and mostly it is free. You don't need any money to start this method. And what we're going to do, I'm going to break it down into 3 steps. Okay, the step 1 is that I'm going to be revealing the top tools for earning passive income in today's video. Okay, and step 2 is I'm going to show you the 2 high-paying websites for utilizing the tools. All right, you have to stay tuned to the end of this video, because the first one I'm going to show you is going to be a normal paying website, and the second one is going to be more high paying website than the first one. So this is why you have to stay tuned to the end of this video. And at the end of this video, the step 3 is that I'm going to give you a bonus, okay, to earn even more money online, okay, starting from today. All right, so before we move on in today's video, if you're new to my channel, my name is Tosin. I create videos like this that show people how to make money. So if you subscribe to my channel now and also click that notification bell button, I will send you an update each time when I create new videos like this. All right, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up, because it's helped this video to get to more people on the internet that want to learn how to make money online. All right, and also make sure you comment in this video. You can tell me the type of video you would like to see, you would like me to make in the future. All right, and if you have any question on this video, make sure you comment in the comment section below. All right, and I will take my time and go through all your comments, and I will also answer your questions, okay, personally. All right, so with that being said, let's move on in today's video. The first tools I'm going to show you that will make this process to work is, first of all, we need Google Docs. All right, for most people, we need Google Docs. All right, for most people who don't know Google Docs is a Google app. All right, if you don't have a Google Doc, you just need a Google account and you are ready to, then you can use this Google Docs software. All right, as you see now, I have a document on Google Docs. Okay, this method, what we're going to be doing today, we're going to be proofreading. All right, but don't worry, I will show you the website where we're going to be getting proofreading jobs. All right, so first of all, what I want to show you is that we have in this document now some wrong spelling words that the Google Docs already detected. They are these ones here with the red color underlined. This is the tool we're going to use to make this work for us, okay, and earn the money, okay. But to correct this, just want to go to tools, all right, and press the spelling and grammar check, okay. And the first one, the Google Docs already, the spelling and grammar already checked that for us. So we're just going to press accept, and it's going to insert the right words for us. All right, and it's going to move now to the second one. We just need to press accept. All right, and the third one we press accept. This is predictions. All right, and also the last one is arrangement, but we just press accept and it's going to write it for us, okay, and so on. So the first platform I'm going to show you to utilize this method, okay, and get paid for it, for proofreading, is proofreadingservice.com. All right, I repeat, proofreading proofreadingservice.com. So first of all, we want to go down. They have so many clients that these clients come to this website before they publish their articles on their website. They first come to this website like this, all right, and acquire them to proofreading their articles before they paste it. Before they publish it on their website. These are companies like University of Cambridge, Vogue, Harvard, Pearson, and Cisco. These are $1 million companies, university, and also corporation that come here to this website and acquire them to and ask them to proofread their articles for them before publishing it. All right. So what we want to do is that we want to go down to the bottom and click careers. All right. When we click the career, then it's going to bring us to this page. We just need to go to this online proofread jobs and click this online proofreading jobs. So then it's going to bring us to the next page, where it's written join our proofreading team. All right. So what we want to do now is that before we go on and click this next page, we see here it shows that competitive pay ranging from $19 to $46 per hours. All right. But mind you guys, I will still show you another website that even pays more. So stay tuned for that. With the highest paying for the most urgent deadline. Okay. Flexible hours, work when you want. Okay. You can, this is what I like in this, you can schedule your time yourself. All right. Click this apply to be an online proofreader. Okay. So it's going to bring us to this next page. Okay. And mind you, this next page is where we can write our name, our information. All right. But mind you, we have a 20-minute countdown here. All right. In this formula. After filling our information, then we go down to the quiz. We have a quiz down here, okay, where we have to fill in the gaps, okay, and we have a multiple choices to fill in the gaps here, all right. So mind you, if you don't know how to do this, it's no big deal. I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to do this without no stuck in your brain, okay. So it is very simple to do, but sometimes, when you don't even have the time, I will show you a method how to do it without not even thinking. All right, guys, we have so many questions here. Like this one, it's right. The trap blank flat on the ground. Okay, we can just, if you don't know the answer, it's not a big deal. You just need to copy this question. Okay, and I'm going to show you where the tools we're going to use is going to be Google. We just go to Google and paste it here. All right. And press enter. So Google is going to do this answer for us, okay, as you see. So we have the answers here. All right, you just go and click here, then it's going to, as you see here, there are people who already do this answer before, this question before. As you see, the trap lays float on the ground. So this is the right answer here. So you just need to go back to the quiz, all right, and click lays. Okay. So that is the method I want to show you how to fill this quiz. How to do this quiz, all right? And you have something like 20 questions, all right? So after doing that, then you're ready to use this platform, this website, all right? So once again, then you can get documents like this to proofread and get paid for that. All you need to do is just leave Google Tools to do the work for you, and you get paid for that. All right. So, first of all, when you get this document, you go to paste it on Google Docs, okay, and then click on Tools once again. You click on Tools and go to Spelling and Grammar Check, and leave Google Docs to do the work for you. All right, that is the first website I'm going to show you. Now let's move to the second website, which is the highest paying website, all right, which is hiresend.com. Once again, hiresine.com. And we want to go to all current openings. Click on it. Alright guys, so we see, as we see here, we have proofreading jobs for $5 up to $10 per page. Alright, so imagine when we get 5 pages here for $10, that is 50 bucks. That's $50, guys. And I will still show you an automated way to do this, even if you don't have time. Alright, all you need to do is to just get these jobs and let other people to do it for you. But I'll show you one more platform where you can let this job done for you and you just get a cut off paid for it. All right, so I mean, assuming we have 5 or 10 pages that we want to proofread, okay, and that will be $100 for instance, okay, and we don't have so much time to do it. No brainer, no problem for that. All we need to do is just go to this website called Fiverr, and as you can see, for even less than $5, you can get people who will make this job done for you. All you need to do is pay this person $5 and you get $95 profit. This method I show you now, you need to do some work on it. You can earn maybe 100, 500, 1,000 bucks on it, but there is another way I want to show you to double this earning, alright, or even triple it. Check the link in my description to know how to earn even more money on the internet. Alright, I'm doing a contest right now, alright, in this month. So you see on the screen now what you need to do to enter this contest. Alright, I'm doing a $100 paper cash giveaway in this month of June. So make sure you enter the contest to have the chance to win this paper money direct from me straight into your PayPal account. Alright guys, if you know you've get value in today's video, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also comment below. Let me know what kind of video you want me to make for you guys, alright, on making money on the internet. And feel free to ask me any question in the comment section. I will make sure I read it personally. If you're new to my channel, my name is Tosin. I do create videos like this that show people how to make money on the internet. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and also hit that notification bell button, so each time when I create videos like this, you'll be the first one to get notified. Alright, thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate you guys. Peace out.